sister are going to draw an emoji folding surprise.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun, and we hope you're going to follow along with us. Let's show our art friends what the drawing lesson looks like and also the art supplies we're going to use.
Yeah.
When our paper is all folded up, it's just going to look like an emoji, a happy emoji. And then when you open it,
Aww.
that's so cute, isn't
Yeah.
it? It's got all these hearts inside. It looks really cool. And I love that it looks 3D on the outside or right here where the hearts go into the emoji.
Yeah.
For this lesson, we're using our Art for Kids Hub markers to draw and color with. We're also using marker paper to draw on. This helps keep our markers lasting longer and also protects our table. I hope our art friends are really excited about this lesson. It's super fun. So let's clear everything off and we'll get started.
Okay.
We're going to start by folding our paper, and we'll take the top edge. We're going to line it up with the bottom edge. And when you get it all lined up, we're going to crease it down the middle and then out to the corners. And then we're going to take the top flap and we're going to line it up with the top edge and crease that down also. Fold it down. Then we're going to flip over our paper and we're going to repeat that same step. We're going to take this top flap, line it up, and fold it down. This is just a guide fold, so let's unfold that last one and flatten it out, and then we can flip our paper back over. But we're also going to turn our paper sideways, like this, so that when we're all finished with the folds, it should open up like this, to the left. We also have some scratch paper that we're going to put underneath our drawing paper. This is just to protect our table while we're drawing with our markers. Let's start by drawing the circle, or the shape of our emoji. We're going to draw half of the emoji on the left side of the fold and the other side on the right side of the fold. So the fold should go right down the middle of our circle. And it might be a little easier to draw one half first. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to come out really far like this, curve around. And if you want, you could trace around a bowl or a cup to get a perfect circle. But let's do it freehand. I think it's fun practicing freehand. Here we go. We're going to draw the other side to try to match. And it's okay if they don't match. We're practicing, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, good job. And then the other side. You did it. Good job. Okay, now let's draw the face, or our emoji's face. And you could change the face any way you want. Let's just keep it simple, though. We're going to draw an oval right here for one eye, and I'm going to try to match that same oval height and size on the right side too. And I'm also going to draw a little circle at the top for a highlight, and then let's color in the bottom oval, or the bottom part, and leave the little circle at the top white. What should we draw next?
The mouth.
Yeah, let's do it. And you could change the mouth too, but let's just keep it simple. We'll draw a really big smile. Draw really big so that the cheeks come way over here to the left and also over here on the right. Good job. And you could add little cheek lines too if you want. You could even add other details. You could add eyelashes, or you could even draw a little tongue sticking out, or maybe a crown or a bow. But let's leave it just like this.
Okay.
Now let's open up our paper. And I'm also turning my scratch paper to the side so that it lines up with our drawing paper. And then we want to flatten out the fold so it's easier to draw on. Now we're ready to draw the inside of our folding surprise. Let's start by extending the top of the emoji past the fold and also down here at the bottom. And we can do the same thing on the other side to match. So we're going to extend it in past the fold. Oh, we could also extend the smile too past the fold. Then we're going to connect the top down to the bottom, but let's try to make it look 3D by drawing, instead of a straight line down to connect to the bottom, I'm going to curve it in and then back out so that it looks more 3D. But we want to make sure that when we're drawing this line that you don't cross over the fold. That way when it's folded up, it's completely hidden. Yeah, and then let's do the same thing on the right side. So we'll start at the top. We're going to curve in or curve to the right and then back to the left, and make sure that you don't cross over this fold either. Now let's draw the inside heart. I'm going to start here in the middle. I'm going to add a guide point, and I'm going to draw this right on top of the fold. One at the top and one at the bottom. And then we're going to start at the top guide point, and we're going to draw the top of the heart curving up, around, and then when I get to about here, I'm going to come straight into the bottom point. There you go. Oh, good job. Your drawing is looking really cool, Hadley.
Thank you.
We're going to match that same size or the same shape and curve on the other side. Mine's a little off, but that's
Same.
okay. This side's a lot bigger, and then this side's a little smaller, but that's okay. And I love that our two drawings don't look exactly the same. And it's okay if your drawings look different too. I'm sure they're turning out awesome. The most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. Remember to have fun and practice. And also, I hope that you actually change your drawing. You can add even more things to your drawing, like more hearts. Look,
Yeah.
that's what we should do.
Yes.
All right, let's keep going.
Okay.
Let's add more hearts. We're going to add smaller hearts, maybe even overlapping. I'm going to draw two guide points like this. And I'm drawing them kind of tipped too. Then I'm going to start here at the top. We're going to repeat the same step that we did for the other one. But watch. This one's going to go inside of the emoji and then come back out and connect to the bottom. And then this side's going to go behind the big heart in the middle. Oh, now it looks really 3D. Okay, now let's do another one. I'm going to maybe move this one up a little higher. And this one could be the same size as this one. It could be bigger or smaller. You could change it any way you want. Then we'll start with that top guide point. Imagine it going behind and then coming back out. And then we'll do the same thing. I'm going to go inside the emoji and then come back out too. Okay, now this next part, let's fast forward, but we're going to take extra time to add even more hearts. Maybe lots of little hearts that surround the bigger heart.
Okay.
Now it looks really cute with all of those extra hearts. Now we're going to make our emoji look more 3D by drawing the back of the emoji. We're going to make it look like the hearts are going inside. So we're going to start here at the top and draw a line that comes down, connects to the heart. We're going to imagine that going through, and we're going to come down further and connect to this one, and we'll imagine it going down and behind that heart and connecting there.
We could color this shape in black.
Oh yeah, let's do it. That'll make it look even more 3D.
Yeah.
Because this will look like a shadow. Now it really looks like the hearts are going inside of the emoji. Let's repeat that same step over here. So we're going to draw it curving out, going behind each of the hearts, and then connecting down to the bottom. And then let's color that in too. We're almost finished with our drawings. We still need to do one more thing.
Color it.
Yeah, this part we'll fast forward again, but remember to pause the video and take extra time to color your drawings. You can use markers. What else could they use to color?
Crayons or colored pencils.
Oh yeah, you could also even use paint.
Yeah.
You ready to speed things up? Hadley, give me 5. We finished coloring our drawings and they turned out so cool, all colored in.
Yeah, I think so too.
I hope our friends will color their drawings. You can pause the video to match our same color. Oh, and let's show them the inside.
Oh yeah.
Aww.
Aww. Looks so good.
It looks really good with all of the hearts. And I love that we changed the color of each heart too.
You could color any way you want.
Yeah, I think it would be really cool if they changed the colors. You could even add more things. Maybe you could draw eggs and bacon inside instead of hearts. Well, that's because I love eggs and bacon.
I like.
What,
yeah,
what
like
would you
pizza.
add? Oh, pizza. Yeah, that would be really tasty to have pizza inside. We used our Art for Kids Hub markers to color with, and if you have the same set, we used 33 yellow for the emoji, and then we used pinks and purples. We used 17 as the light pink, and 88 as the dark pink, and what purple did we use?
75.
Yeah.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing an emoji folding surprise.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you take extra time to color your drawings and add even more things to the inside. We'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.